if you're like me and you're always on the go, you'll really appreciate the voice recorder on this BMW. I'm Daniel, your Mernacker product specialist. This is an awesome feature if you have to have a quick memo and you don't want to type things in. Scrolling to the communication option and pressing right on the iDrive, here I can scroll down and select memos. Once I've done that, here you can see there's a new voice memo option I can select from, and once I've done that, start recording is highlighted. Now I have 2 minutes to speak and I don't know what to say. I'm going to save it, and now I can refer to it in the future. Now I have 2 minutes to speak and I don't know what to say. Isn't that awesome? Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, or you can follow our Instagram and Facebook to keep up to date with the latest product information and social media feeds.